The office of the Prime Minister was quite busy this past week, and we have the highlights. I'm Vaughn Davis, and you're watching Jamaica House Weekly. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has appointed 4 new ambassadors or special investment envoys to attract investments to the island. Mr. Holness says the strategic move underlines the government's commitment to driving innovation, investment and economic growth, and creating sustainable opportunities for Jamaicans. The 4 ambassadors are Adam Stewart, named Special Investment Envoy for Tourism, Teresa Roberts, appointed to Culture and Arts, and Lloyd Carney and Dushyant Savadia, both charged with technology investment.
These individuals have extensive expertise and experience in various sectors and will bring a wealth of knowledge and a network of international contacts to their new roles. Their primary objective is to identify potential investment opportunities and attract investment by promoting Jamaica as an attractive destination for both local and international investors.
The Prime Minister says the country is fortunate to have such highly capable individuals who are internationally renowned in their fields and possess a deep understanding of the investment landscape both locally and internationally. Last week also found the Prime Minister at the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF's Transformation JCF 2023 Expo. He pointed out that the country was witnessing the benefits of continued investments to transform the law enforcement agency into a modern, digital and technological force for good.
Whether it is motor vehicles, camera systems, the introduction of new motorbike patrol systems, the introduction of the new traffic ticketing system, new communication system, new uniforms, new processes, the changing out of the big station diary, massive investment in Jamaica's constabulary force. Everything that you see displayed here represents a 3-fold increase in the capital budget of the JCF in the last 8 years. The government is interested in ensuring that every Jamaican can get access to the information highway, because information that you convert to knowledge, that gives you wisdom, is power. It is not a waste of public resources to give every Jamaican citizen, as much as we can, access to the internet.
Making good on that commitment, the Prime Minister officially commissioned free Wi-Fi service for residents of the Tower Avenue, Coburn Pen and Penwood communities last week. Approximately 1,500 residents are now benefiting from the safe and secure community Wi-Fi established by the Universal Service Fund, USF. Prime Minister Holness urged the residents to use the facilities wisely for education and self-improvement. He stressed that the government was spending millions of dollars to boost public access to Wi-Fi in urban and high-trafficked areas as well as communities, as this was critical for Jamaica's development.
As the society moves towards becoming more online, we have to get all Jamaicans online. In the coming weeks and days, I'll be making certain announcements regarding the acceleration of Jamaica's intention to become a fully digital society. For those of us who are skeptical, who are afraid of it, we are here to support you.
The Prime Minister pointed out that the country was well on the way to making the transition.
We have established the National Identification System. We have put in place our digital currency. We have given directions to our ministries to digitalize their operations. Most of our ministries are now moving from paper-based systems to digital systems.
Groundbreaking for the new Houses of Parliament is projected for October or November this year. That update came from Prime Minister Andrew Holness last week. He was chairing a multi-stakeholder meeting on the government campus project.
Once that procurement process starts, or rather is completed and the contractor is selected, mobilization could be very rapid. So you could literally see soil turning, by October, November this year. Now, once that happens, then we have to now also do the parallel activities, the widening of the road, putting in of the water infrastructure, dealing with the traffic issues, and the issues of acquiring lands around relocation. All of those things will begin.
Following Cabinet's declaration of the undertaking as a national strategic project, parliamentary approval will be sought.
For Parliament, we await two approvals. One is the approval to build, and the other one is build using a strategic project cover. So the strategic project, that has to be declared through the Minister of Finance, and I'm told by the FS that has been sent to the drafters. And we should have that back next week. So let's say by the end of May.
The Prime Minister said to get the project moving, Cabinet would also give approval for the acquisition of land to facilitate parking for the Ministry of Finance. The undertaking forms part of the National Heroes Park redevelopment and government campus project, which is a component of the master plan to redevelop downtown Kingston. The UDC will manage the construction of the new Parliament building. And this is where we close out Jamaica House Weekly. We'll be back next week with more stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.